Okay, hello all. Today we will have the video about the percentage change. This time we will not consider something that is called increase or decrease. We only consider the change. So what is the difference between the one that you learn in percentage increase and percentage decrease? Look at this. For question number 1, the formula for change, you will only have one, that is the new value minus the original value. So what is the difference between this one and the percentage increase and percentage decrease? Because this one you only have the new value of the original value. So let us look at the question 1. We're going to find the change at the same time. If you have 30 for the original value and 42 for the new value, for the change, you are only allowed to use the new value minus the original value. So this one is 12. In case you will see this is increase from 30 to 42, that is a number that is greater than this one. So you will know this is an increase. So what about for part B? If you see 60 minus 80, this time you will get negative 20. This will be the decrease. In case you can see 60 minus 80, obviously the smaller number minus the greater number, you will get a negative number. So for this question, if you see change, it can include both the increase and decrease at the same time. If this is increase, you will get a positive number. And if this is decrease, you will get a negative number. So it is obvious that you have something like this. Okay, next, what we are going to do is that we write down all these two also for the change. And this is not difficult, so I do it for you in a very quick time. 0.6 cm and also negative 12 kilogram. Okay, so you have some question like this. So what about the percentage change you are going to calculate here? It's the same, it's the new value minus the original value. That means the change over the original value. Once again, for every formula you have here for the denominator, you will only have the original value. That means you are only required to write these as the denominator. You are not allowed to write these as the denominator. So make sure that what you have learned. So we will do it quick. We have the formula for 12 over 30 times 100%. And then, so what do you have is that you have 40% here. That is the change, that is increase. You can write a positive sign here or not. In case we are not required to write positive sign here for this one. And next, we are going to write, this time you have the negative sign here. So you must write the negative sign for the final answer. Over 80 times 100%. You will see this is negative 25%. So you will see something that if the percentage change is positive, that will be the percentage increase. And if you see the percentage change is negative, you will see this is a percentage decrease. It's similar to what you learned in the last video, but you must pay attention about that. For the last video, whatever you have the percentage increase or you have percentage decrease, all the numbers are positive. But here, for percentage change, you will see something that called negative because it is percentage decrease. So we will have the other two answer, 0.6 over 12 times 100%. That is 5% for positive. And the last one is negative 12 over 40 times 100%. And then this time you will have is 30, negative 30%. Okay, so what do you have here is that you will see some negative sign here for percentage decrease and for some positive sign that with the percentage increase. So every time you will use the new value minus the original value is correct for the change. Okay, so let's do some application problem. Okay, so make sure that you know anything. You can know anything. Okay. Okay, after that we will go to question 2. Now I will give you 30 seconds to finish this question 2. Okay, now we will discuss the question 2. If you cannot finish, just pause the video and we will play, and after that you can continue the video. Okay, now the answer for this one is so easy for you that because look at the question, the price of a mobile phone was 2,400 last week. So this one we can say this is original value. Original value. So you will see for both of these two, you can say is the price of this week. So this time for this week. So these two, both of them are new value for part A and part B. Okay. So what can you do is that you are going to write down the formula at the same time. In case I can write both of the formula at the same time. First of all, you can draw this one, and you can draw this one once again, and then times 100% times 100%. You must write the heading. The percentage change is Okay, we both do the same question at the same time because both of them have the same origin value 2,400. So once again, you can write 2,400 here and 2,400 at here. Always have the original value as the denominator. Okay, don't write these two on the denominator. Okay, now after that we'll minus this. Minus 2,400 minus 2,400. The only number we changed for A and B is the new value. So you will have 2,760 and this is 2,160. Okay, we'll do this question one by one, but you can see that for both of them we have the same original value and both of them will have the new minus the origin. You will have the same calculation method for these questions. Okay, now after that we can do the calculations. For part A, you have 2,400 and you have 360 times 100%. Okay, we can do the cancellation for 20, and 36. You can see obviously this is 12. Okay, so you got 2 for this one. This is 30, and so after that you have 15. So the first one is the 15%. This time is the increase because you will see the positive side here. So this is the percentage change is 50%. That means it's an increase. Okay, what about this one? This one is a negative. So I pause 5 seconds here. Okay, you can look at this part first. Okay, now I will go to this part. The one you will see for the numerator, this time you will see a negative sign because this is negative 240 this time over 2,400 times 100%. Okay, so you will see the same thing. You will do the cancellation for both 0 and 24 and 240. You get negative 10. Okay, so you will see this one is negative 10%. So this time is percentage decrease or the percentage change. Okay, now this is question 2. So make sure that you know what I'm doing. Okay, if there's no problem, we'll go to question 3. Okay, question 3. Okay, now look at the question 3. A tutorial sentence, in case you are not required to know the meaning of this word. Okay, in Chinese, this one is called 補習中心. has 125 students this month. Find the number of students in the tutorial center if the percentage change in the number of students next month is positive 12% and negative 28%. So look at this. For 125 students, obviously you know that this one is the original value. This is the original value. And now what we're going to do is to find the number of students. So what is the number of students? We're going to find, you will see this one is not a change. It's the final answer for this one. So this must be the new value, okay? This must be the new value. So what can we do? We can use the formula that which is similar to what we learned in the last video, okay? Let's have a look. Okay, I put it more higher for this one. Okay, you can see this is the first formula. The new value will equal to the original value times 1 plus percentage change. Okay, you will see for positive side, you will get the plus 12% here. So you can know that this one would, in case it's similar to something that percentage increase. What about if we put negative 28 here? So you have 1 minus 28%. So this time you have something similar to percentage decrease. So it's okay that you can use this formula to understand all the things. So what can we do is we just to write down all the things just similar to what we learned in the last video. Okay, now let's write down the heading first. The number of students is the number of students is okay. I will do the first one for you. That is 125 will be the original value times 1 plus, okay, we similar this 12%. So this one is obvious that we learn in percentage increase. And then we will have 125 times 112%. That is 125 times 112 over 100. Last time I've showed you the multiple of 25. You can cancel it. This is 4. This is 5. And 4 and 112. You will have 2 with the 8. So the answer is 140. Okay, this is 140. Is it right? 2 with the divided by 4 is 2. Is that 2? 8? Yeah, this is correct. Okay. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. So I'll give you 15 seconds. You can do the part B. Okay. Okay, now for part B, we are going to do something like this. If you are still continuing your job, so please pause the video now. Okay, now we have 125 once again. We have times once again. So that what we have is we are going to times 1 minus 28% once again. So we have 125 times 72%. What we have, and then 125 times 72 over 100. So for this one, we'll cancel this once again. 4 and 5. 4 and 72, you have 18. So this time is 90 for this one. So this is part B answer. After that, we will have something. The last one is that we must find the original value once again. Okay. Okay, now if there's no problem, we will go to question 4. So first of all, please look at the questions. Okay, now I've copied the formula here for you to understand the question. The price of a stock is $99 on Friday. Find the price of the stock on Thursday. So Thursday and Friday, please pay attention. Friday in Chinese is 星期五. Thursday in Chinese is 星期四. So we're going to find something that older than the price that in the 99. Okay, so please remember this. If the percentage change of the stock on Friday as compared to Thursday is increased 10% and 10% decrease. So you must know this question carefully. Okay, once again, first of all, what is 99? Is it a new value or the original value? So obviously, because this is on Friday, okay, I'm going to find something that the day before. So this one must be the new value, okay? This time, this one is the new value. Make sure that what you're going to do, okay? And then we are going to find the price of the stock on Thursday. That is the original value, okay? This is the original value. We're going to find is the original value. So you can see these two things. Every time we find the original value, we must do something first. That is let unknowns. Let X be the price of the stock on Thursday. Okay. Once again, let X be the price of stock on Thursday. Okay, we have the same thing for both of these. But now this one is that we're going to net. We will do part A and I will left part B for you to do it. Okay, add X. This time is original value. So that means we'll put X here and equals. And then the new value this time is 9. I'm sorry, I must put the lower side here. Okay, so you have 99 here. Okay, and then times. This time is 10% increase, so we have 1 plus 10%. Okay, so you have something like this. And then that is 99 equals to X times 110%. And then we can move these two here. 99 divided by 110% equals X. Okay, we have something like this. And 99 divided by 110 over 100 and equals X. So interchange equals X. So the answer for this one, you can do the cancellation. This one equals 9. So 90 equals X. X will equals 90. So you will see the price of stock was $90 on Thursday. Okay, so you will have part A. And then now, this time is for you to do the part B. Okay, I'll give you 15 seconds. Okay, now, if you cannot finish, just pause the video, and now I will discuss the answer for you all. Okay, now this one is, once again, you have the 99 for the new value, and equals X times, this times 1 minus 10% once again. So this is plus and this is minus because it depends on what you have in the part A or part B. So you have this and 99 and X is the original value. So you have the same thing. Okay, now you have 99 once again. You have equal to X times 90%. You have something like this similar. And then we have 99 divided by 90% equals X. And 99 divided by 90 over 100 equals X. And we can interchange it Okay, this is not difficult for you to do the calculation. So I will all do all this step and we do the cancellations. So you have 1 and 11. So 110 equal x. X equals 110. So this time the price of the stock was 110 on Thursday. Okay, this is part B's answer. Okay, please look at this carefully. Make sure that what you have learned, okay? And then we will go to the question 5 and the last question for you in this video. Okay, I will pause for 30 seconds and you will do it for yourself first. Okay, now look at the question. In 2014, okay, in 2015, so this one is the new one, this one is the original one. The number of the members in the badminton club is 112. So obviously you know that immediately this one is the original value, okay? This is the original value. Okay, next. The percentage change in the number of the members in 2015 is negative 25%. Is decreased, okay, as compared to 2014. Find the change in the number of the members. So this time you're going to find the change. That means you're going to find the increase and decrease only. Okay, and for part B, you're going to find the number of the members. That means this time in 2005, this time I'm going to find is the new value, okay? So this is the new value we're going to find. Okay, so for part A, immediately you can know that if I'm going to find the increase and decrease, we're only required to use the original value times the percentage increase or decrease immediately, and you will get the change. Okay, now so for the change, you will have the same way. So the change is, okay, so obviously you can have the same way, 112 times negative 25%. This time you are required to write down negative because I want to have the change. That means you can have decrease with the negative number, so you have something like this, but the calculation is just the same, times negative 12 over 100. Okay, and then you can put negative 112 times 25 over 100 here. Okay, the answer is that you can cancel it. This is 4 and 1 once again, and 4 and 12 once again. This is 28. So you will see negative 28. That means you have the number of members is decreased by 28 members. Okay, now you have this part A and part B. For the number of members, you can use two ways to do this. Okay, let me show you how to do this in different ways. The number of members in 2005. So let's do the stupid way first. The stupid way. That means that not careful way. You will use 112 times 1 minus 25%. So you have 112 times 75%. Okay. Next, and then 112 times 75 over 100. And we do the cancellation. This is 4, this is 3, and this is 28 once again. 484. So you finish this one, 84. Okay, clever way. Method B. The number of members in 2015, you will get the same way. Is that 112 minus 28? So you will immediately get 84. Okay, these two ways you can both of the answers are correct. If you can answer this, I will give you full mark, and if you answer this, I will also give you the full mark. Okay. This is the end of this video, so make sure that what you have to learn. Okay, now thanks for watching.